Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you use turmeric every day? The powerful effects hidden in this spice will surprise you. Is turmeric just a colorful spice to brighten up dishes, or is there hidden superpower within every golden grain? We're about to embark on a journey to unlock the amazing benefits of turmeric, from enhancing your health to revealing secrets you'd never expect. But remember, not everything that glitters is always good. Are you ready to step into the world of this incredible spice with me? Get ready for surprises from something that seems so familiar, because today you'll never look at turmeric the same way again. Let's get started. 1. Reducing wrinkles and dark spots. Time has certainly left its mark on your skin. Wrinkles gradually appear, and dark spots make you look older than your age. Especially as you pass 50, these changes in your skin become even more noticeable. Your skin may darken, become dry, thicker, and lose its elasticity, sometimes making you feel less confident when you look in the mirror. But remember, it's never too late to show yourself some love and care. Turmeric is one of the best companions you can rely on to help restore and rejuvenate your skin. With powerful antioxidant compounds, turmeric helps slow down the aging process and prevent unwanted changes on your skin. Thanks to its high levels of vitamins E and C, turmeric also stimulates collagen production, making your skin more elastic and firm. These two vitamins work wonders to brighten your skin as well, gradually fading dark spots and leaving it smooth, glowing, and even-toned. Just 30 days of consistent use, and you'll begin to see positive changes from deep within your skin. Here's a tip. Try mixing turmeric powder with unsweetened yogurt. Apply gently to areas with dark spots and wrinkles, then massage lightly for 5 minutes before rinsing with clean water. Caring for your skin not only helps you look younger, but also boosts your confidence and joy each day. Let turmeric help you shine in your own unique way. 2. Healthy brain. When we're young, we often don't pay much attention to brain health. But after turning 50, you may start to notice that your memory isn't what it used to be, and this can make life, well, funny in some unexpected ways. Imagine stepping outside your house, only to suddenly stop and wonder, what did I come out here for? Or, after watching a great movie the night before, you can't remember how it ended the next morning, leaving you mildly frustrated all day with your goldfish memory. These are just a few of the many funny, yet inconvenient situations that aging can bring. But it doesn't have to be this way. Start taking care of your brain now by adding a little turmeric to your daily routine. Curcumin, the star ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to support brain health and significantly reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Studies reveal that curcumin slows down the degeneration of nerve cells and promotes the growth of brain-protecting hormones, helping prevent symptoms of depression and Alzheimer's. Simply adding a bit of turmeric to your meals is an easy way to invest in your brain health, keeping your memory sharp and your life cheerful without the worry of short-term memory every time you step out the door. Start taking care of yourself now so that age becomes nothing more than just a number. 3. Healthy heart. Our heart is the heartbeat of life itself, but unfortunately, heart disease remains the world's biggest silent killer. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, ischemic heart disease accounts for 16% of global deaths, while stroke accounts for 11%, staggering numbers that make us stop and think. And surely, you've heard heartbreaking stories of loved ones who were laughing yesterday, but in the blink of an eye, are now in 2 separate worlds. It's genuinely frightening, isn't it? But don't let fear hold you back. Start protecting your heart today with practical steps. One excellent choice you shouldn't overlook is turmeric, a trusted companion that can help you keep your heart strong and healthy. Curcumin, the golden compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, two essential factors in preventing heart disease. One remarkable study highlighted curcumin's power. 121 patients undergoing coronary artery bypass surgery were divided into two groups. One received a placebo, while the other took 4 g of curcumin daily before and after surgery. The results were astonishing. The curcumin group reduced their risk of heart attack by 65% during their hospital stay. Daily turmeric consumption quietly works to eliminate risk factors for heart disease, keeping your heart healthy in a natural way. While you may not notice immediate changes, turmeric is silently protecting you, little by little. Don't forget to share this valuable information with friends and family so everyone can care for their heart health together. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating health insights. Thank you so much. 4. Cancer prevention. We all know that cancer is one of the most frightening diseases, like a death sentence hovering in front of us. If detected early, survival can be extended, but if discovered too late, the 5-year survival rate drops to below 5%. This disease not only drains your health, but also weighs heavily on the mental and financial well-being of your entire family. But don't worry, by adopting healthy habits and incorporating nutritious foods into your daily diet, you can significantly reduce the risk of cancer. And turmeric, with its powerful antioxidant properties, is one of the foods you should consider using every day to protect your body. Most cancer cells develop from inflammatory responses and oxidative processes, which lead to genetic mutations within cells. By adding antioxidants to the body, oxidative stress is reduced, thereby minimizing a key factor in cancer cell formation. Moreover, curcumin, the prized compound in turmeric, also has the ability to inhibit tumor growth. Some studies have even shown that curcumin can help prevent cancers of the digestive system, especially colorectal cancer. In one study, 44 men with precancerous lesions in the colon were given 4 g of curcumin daily for 30 days. The results were astounding. The number of lesions was reduced by 40%, offering real hope for effective cancer prevention. However, to ensure your safety, consult with your doctor before starting high doses of turmeric. Let's take care of our bodies starting today and protect ourselves from this devastating disease. 5. Managing type 2 diabetes. Those who are living with type 2 diabetes are truly fortunate. This chronic condition can reduce the body's ability to produce insulin, making blood sugar management a real challenge. But don't worry, just 1 glass of turmeric water each day can bring remarkable benefits to your health. Turmeric not only helps stabilize blood sugar, but also supports reducing risks associated with this condition. Curcumin, the golden compound in turmeric, has the power to regulate lipid metabolism, lowering triglycerides and bad cholesterol by altering the activity of essential enzymes in the body. This helps improve blood fat levels, which significantly supports cardiovascular health. And that's not all. Curcumin also helps reduce insulin resistance, boosts insulin sensitivity, supports lower blood pressure, and manages the symptoms of metabolic syndrome, a natural solution that improves health from within. Isn't that amazing? If you feel that turmeric is indeed a great companion on your journey to managing diabetes, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. 6. Joint pain relief. Those who suffer from arthritis know all too well the persistent, throbbing pain that sometimes flares up unexpectedly. When the weather changes, the pain often intensifies, making movement difficult and causing visible discomfort that only highlights the signs of aging. But imagine if your life could change significantly with the regular use of turmeric. Since ancient times, long before modern medicine, the Chinese have used turmeric as a natural pain reliever for inflammatory symptoms, including open wounds, skin inflammation, toothaches, and even arthritis. Modern research has confirmed that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can reduce knee pain caused by arthritis, with effectiveness comparable to ibuprofen, Advil. A 2018 study in the UK also found that curcumin can help reduce inflammation in rheumatoid arthritis by decreasing synovial hyperplasia, a key factor causing pain and discomfort in patients. So, if you're facing arthritis or are over 50, consider adding turmeric to your daily diet. This natural support not only relieves pain, but also enhances your quality of life, allowing you to enjoy your golden years to the fullest. So, we've explored the amazing and remarkable health benefits of turmeric together. From supporting heart health and relieving joint pain to preventing cancer and keeping the mind sharp, turmeric is truly a superfood that's hard to ignore in our daily lives. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button and share it to spread this knowledge further. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any upcoming content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.